were the perfect love song that you would hear on a Sunday radio. You did all the right steps to make me fall in love with the boy that could catch me.
As summer is finally ending, there's almost no moisture in the air and my skin starts getting drier as it gets colder. I prefer lightweight moisturizers that do their work but are also not overpowering and sticky. Sadhev's Aloe Vera and Saffron gel has a rich texture and gets absorbed immediately, leaving a gentle glow. It's infused with Saffron and Kumkumadi thyme, which instantly brightens you up, and a mild earthy fragrance that refreshes your mood. It keeps your skin hydrated for long and is a perfect morning moisturizer. Sadhev is 100% natural and vegan, and it's suitable for all skin types.
Kinda crazy. This is something kinda crazy. Call me, baby. Better for you to call me, baby. I'm looking, but if you want to, we could do something kinda crazy. How about you? I've been, call me baby. I know it's kinda crazy, but if you're down for me, let's do something kinda crazy. Don't be so shy, just call me baby. Don't keep me waiting, yeah. Am I the one you're dreaming of? Every day I'm thinking of you. Oh, yeah, got me feeling lucky. Come my way, you lovely, I've been waiting for you for a while. I've been waiting for you. What's the word, what's the word, what's the word, yeah. What's the word, I've been waiting for you. What's the word, what's the word, what's the word, yeah. I'm looking, but if you want to, we could do something kinda crazy. How about you? Call me baby. Cause I've been, call me baby. I know it's kinda crazy, but if you're down for me, let's do something kinda crazy. Don't be so shy, just call me baby. Don't keep me waiting, yeah.
The glow is perfect and so subtle. If you wish to buy Sadhev Aloe Vera Saffron Gel, the link is in my description. Do leave a like if you like this video. I'll see you next time. Bye.